I am the Frugal Gardener. This is the first day of summer. While most people think about going to the beach on the 4th of July, I think about Halloween. Stay with me. Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. I'm showing you these pumpkin seeds for a reason. I paid 25 cents for these. It's 4 packs for $1. It is the first day of summer. So, why am I talking about pumpkins? I'm talking about pumpkins because we're coming up on the time for you to grow your own pumpkins. I decided to do a little fact check some information out on pumpkins. Basically, last year the average price of pumpkins was $4.18. That's an increase. Now 46% of Americans plan to carve pumpkins. 46% of Americans are planning to carve their own pumpkin this year. Last year, 152 million jack-o'-lanterns were carved. This is a two-for if you are a parent. Basically, you get to plant these seeds with your children in July. Early to mid-July is basically the time that most people plant these, because it takes about 100 days to harvest. It depends. Now what you have here are not just pumpkins, but there are a variety of melons in here. There are small yellow melons and regular sized watermelons along with the pumpkins. If you're going to grow these, you obviously cannot wait until the fall because the growing season won't allow it. So I would recommend that you plant these between the beginning and the middle of July, and look between, some packages say 80 to 100 days, some say 100 to 110 days, but to give yourself some extra wiggle room, I would say 100 days. $687 million were spent on pumpkins, and you can spend a quarter. Now, if you don't want to just plant pumpkins, there are companion crops that you can plant that will grow alongside your pumpkins, and you can get a 2-for. So that's two 2-fors. Try saying that 3 times fast. You get to grow pumpkins with your children, you get to harvest them in October, and you can have a project while you're carving them or drawing on them or using them for decorations on your front lawn. But in the meantime, if you want to grow something alongside it, you can grow carrots, tomatoes, peas, sunflowers, corn, radishes, pole beans, and even lavender. So this is something that you might want to consider doing with your children, or if you don't have children, hey, if you like pumpkins, you might want to make pumpkin pie, or if you just want to use the pumpkins for decoration, why spend money to pay somebody else to grow them for you when you can grow your own? So there it is. Grow your pumpkins and grow your companion crops with your pumpkins for little to nothing. 25 cents will get you started. Now, one last thing. I've grown pumpkins before. As a matter of fact, I've actually grown pumpkins in my raised garden. Grew them a couple of years ago. I do not grow pumpkins directly in the soil. This is a contained space, and This is my new grow bag, so this is also obviously a contained space, because what I have heard, don't know this to be a fact, but pumpkins, basically, you do not have control over what happens once once the season is over. So make sure that once you harvest your pumpkins, that you don't leave them laying around in the garden to rot, and make sure that you dispose of them properly, because you don't want the seeds laying around in your yard so that you end up with pumpkins, unwanted pumpkins, the following season. So for that reason, I use these containers, and I don't know, I mean, it works for me. You can plant them directly into your soil, into your yard, but I find it better to control this way. I water them probably twice a week, depending upon the weather. If it's really, really hot, then 3 times a week, and it's best, I think, to water them in the morning. So that's it for today. Make sure you like and hit that bell so that you'll keep up with all my videos. In the meantime, remember what I always say: when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. This is the Frugal Gardener. You guys have a great day.